back to another video. I hope that you guys are all doing well and staying out of this heat wherever you are. So I wanted to sit down and film what I got in my month's Boxycharm. This is the base box, so this is the lowest tier you can get. This is for $25 and the value is well over $100. I do like to share these videos. I have skipped a couple months here and there because sometimes I just feel like I can create other content for you, but I know some of my subscribers have Boxycharm, so I like to see what you got, what's different from my box, so I like to talk about it in the comments below. So we are going to be unboxing it today, so without further ado, let's get into today's video. My box is she's a little banged up, but don't mind her. She's still pretty inside. So this one's theme is Boxycharm and it's Go All Out, which is super cute because they have the whole like little shades on the front of the passport, and then it has a bunch of cute little pictures in the front, and then of course the description of each product and its retail value. I do like that they give you sometimes coupons, which didn't come in this one. This one's just promoting their add-ons, because if you're subscribed to Boxycharm, you get discount on like some products that you may have not gotten in your box. So they have their own little like pop-up store shop, if you will. Okay, so first going in with the first thing that I was super excited about, and this basically makes it like, it just gives me pretty much my value for the box for getting it this month. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. So this is the 1.7 fluid ounce, so that's pretty standard for a moisturizer, so I know that this is a full-size product, which by the way, they're all full-size products. So this is to revive dull, dry, lock-lusting looking skin with Kate Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients, makes you not have wrinkles, you know, whatever. But this brand is actually new to me. Maybe not some people, but I've been trying this out for a whole week and I really like this moisturizer. It feels really lightweight, but it feels also hydrating at the same time, which is hard to find with such lightweight moisturizers. But it looks thick, but it's not thick. There's a hair. It looks thick, but it's not that thick, and it is very nourishing on the skin. I do like it. I will give you guys my thoughts because of course this week of using it, I can't really give you much info, but other than the fact that I like the feel of it, I like that I do notice my skin feeling nice and moisturized. You know how sometimes you kind of like put on your moisturizer and then within like 30 minutes to an hour, it's like, okay, my skin needs more water, like a drink of water. Not with that guy. I do like that one. So next product, we have the Clean Skin Club. This is a clean state clearing mist. It has salicylic acid, rose extract, eucalyptus oil. Can I speak today? But this is a like treatment spray. So this has, you know, salicylic acid to kind of help prevent any acne or breakouts in the skin. This retails for $38 and it is basically to, like I said, to reduce acne and breakouts without drying the skin. Mist onto clear skin after cleansing. Anyways, and look how luxe the bottle is. This is glass. This reminds me a lot of the Dolce & Gabbana blue perfume because of its ombre blue effect, but of course more different tone of blue. But anyways, this bottle is stunning. Like, I would love to put this in my bathroom. I have been using it, as you can see, just a little bit has been used. The only thing is the smell. The smell smells very medicated smell. And I don't know how else to describe it. I was thinking about it before filming. I'm like, how would I describe this? It just smells really medicated, but at the same time, of course, it does have like things to kind of help you with clearing your skin and all that good stuff. So I don't mind the smell. I actually really like the whole concept of it, so I'm going to continue using it, and again, I'll let you know. But really excited just with those two skincare items because I'm such a big fan of skincare in Boxycharm. I know there are individuals that are like, I subscribe to Boxycharm for makeup, but I like to get a mixture of both. Let me know in the comments if you're the same as me Maybe I'm just weird, but I do like a combination of both. So the next product is this Jaclyn Black, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Play Pots. So this is a cream pigment that you can use, like, it's like universal for your lips, cheeks, eyes, and this retails for $21.50. I've never heard of this brand. Don't know where they would sell this brand. So first time I hear of it. The shade is quite alarming because it's so pigmented and gold, and I'm like, okay, I will not wear this on my cheeks. First of all, look how gold and intense it is though. I would probably use this on my eye, maybe the inner corner or something. I like how it feels creamy, but it doesn't feel like it's oily base. It's pretty, it does kind of settle as I'm rubbing it. And I like how you can kind of just tone it down by blending it out. So really, really nice. I will be using these next couple items in maybe an upcoming tutorial because I did not film like me putting them on with my unboxing, just because I kind of felt like it wasn't a full face since I got 2 skincare products. But I will be using these items on camera next. I was super excited about this item. This is the iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder, and look how ginormous, like, look at that. It's a full-size bronzer, and the packaging feels really nice. I love the big compact that it has, so I'm excited to reveal that mirror. So it's gonna be nice to even travel with. But that's a ginormous size bronzer. So I picked out the shade medium bronze. I know that this was like a item that you could pick. Boxycharm sometimes allows you to pick out of like 4 products what you want in your box. Out of those 4 items, you pick what you would like for them to put in, and then that's a guarantee. Or you can just let it be a surprise. I do like to see like what they have going on, and if it's something that I'm really excited about, I jump on it and I reserve it, just like this bronzer, because Iconic London has a lot of good products as of recently. But that's a beautiful shade. I feel like it's gonna go well. I will be using it in a tutorial. And that retails for $35. So super good value already happening. So next item I have, last but not least, this is the Give Them Lala Beauty. And then I like the name. It's called the Grown Woman Palette. Very nice. How much does this cost? And this palette retails for $42. Now, I do like to see what I get in my Boxycharm because I get super excited and I swatch things beforehand. Hold on, please. Alrighty, I don't know why I was having difficulty, but look how beautiful the like marble, very like subtle marble going on here, but really beautiful packaging. Nice mirror, pretty decent mirror. Pretty decent mirror right here going on. But this is the palette, and these shades, when I first saw the palette, I'm like, whoa, this is like totally me. If you know me by now, I love warm shades. So here is the disappointment in this palette. Look at how they swatch. Okay. Now, I will say I do have to try them on the eyes before I can really judge them. But, I mean, look at, I'm swatching this brown right here. Look at that. It's like powdery and very, it's lacking color. It's lacking pigment. It's clear. But I will try them on the eyes and I will let you know. But for $42, this is garbage. And I will say when something is not good, and this is not good. So anyways, what I always consider those products that are like not good, but they throw them in the box, I always consider them like filler items, because Boxycharm always gives you 5 items, but this to me is like a filler item, because who's gonna use this? I mean, unless it really works on the eyes, but honestly, I'm probably not going to use it if it does not perform well on the eyes, so I call it the filler item of the box. But other than that, I do like everything that I got in this month's box. Please let me know in the comments down below what you got in your month's Boxycharm. I would love to know, and we can talk about it down below. Please don't forget to give this video a like and a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.